Golden Sungaba online virtual class. It's me Lakshmi Khatri, your English teacher. How are you all? I hope you are staying safe. What are you doing nowadays? I hope you are staying safe. Be at home, stay safe. Drink lots of water. Don't eat junk food. Eat only healthy foods which help us to fight against the diseases. I am going to review English alphabet through this online virtual class. First of all, I'm going to start class. I am singing a rhymes. All of you also sing a rhymes with me with action. Butterfly, butterfly, higher, higher in the sky, higher, higher in the sky. With the flapper, flapper here, with the flapper, flapper there. You just flapper everywhere. You just flapper everywhere. On the tree, on the grass, on the flower and sometimes on my nose. On the flower and sometimes on my nose. Okay, very good. Okay, rhymes always help us to feel happy and excitement. Yes, children? Yes. Now I am going to start course. SUBJECT subject. ENGLISH English. Topic is ENGLISH English. ALPHABETS English alphabets. What? English alphabets. Okay. How many alphabets are there? Yes, very good. There are 26 alphabets. How many alphabets? Yes, very good. There are 26 alphabets. Okay. I am going to show by written way. Look at whiteboard. Okay. Always capital letter touch the first line and third line. Capital letter touch the first line and third line. But small letter touch the small letter are categorized into three groups. They are MONKEY, monkey, LETTERS, monkey letter. First one is monkey letters. Number two, TORTOISE. Yes, tortoise. LETTERS, letters. Tortoise letters. Number three, GIRAFFE, giraffe. Yes, giraffe. LETTERS, letters. Giraffe letters. Very good. Now look at here. Okay, I am going to write here capital A. Capital A, first line to third line. Capital A, first line to third line. Small a only touch the middle line. Small a only touch the middle line. Very good. Now capital B. Capital B touch the first line and third line. Small b. What is this? Small b. Now C. Capital C. Capital C does the first line and third line. I told you that capital letter always does the first line and third line. Tortoise letter always does the middle line. Tortoise letter always does the middle line. So here is C does the middle line. Now capital D. What is this? Yes, capital D. And small d. Small d. Now the middle line. Yes. Now F. What is this? F. Capital F. Now small f. What is this? Small f. Okay, small f is which letter? Yes, giraffe letter. Which letter? Giraffe letter. Giraffe letter always touch the upper line, first line. Yes, yes, very good. Now G. What is this? G. Capital G. And then small g. Small g. Small g is which letter? Monkey letter. Which letter? Monkey letter. Monkey letter touch the last line or fourth line. Then H. What is this? Yes, very good. H. S touch the first line and third line. Okay, then small h. Small h. Now I. What is this? I. Capital I. Small I. Small I. I is also tortoise letter. Small I also tortoise letter. What is this? J. Capital J. And this is small j. What is this? Small j. J. Small j is also monkey letter. Which letter? Monkey letter. Now K. What is this? K. Capital K. And small k. What is this? Small k. Small k touch the first line and middle line. K is called giraffe letter. Small is k is called giraffe letter. Now which letter? Yes, L. Which letter? L. Capital L and small l. Yes? Yes. Small letter is, small l is which letter? Yes, very good. Giraffe letter. Now M. What is this? M. What is M? And now small m. Small m. And now which letter? Yes, N. Which letter? N. And small n. Yes? Yes. Now O. Which letter? O. Small o. Now small o. Look at here. You have to know about concept of letter writing. Now P. Capital P. Then small p. Capital P, small p. Now Q. Which letter? Capital Q. And small q. Yes? Yes. Now R. Which letter? Capital R. And small r. Capital R, small r. Now S. Which letter? Capital S. And small s. Then, yes, very good. T. Capital T, small t. Which letter? Capital T, small t. Then U. Which letter? Capital U. Now small u. Yes? Then, yes, V. Capital V and small v. Then Which letter comes? Yes, very good. W. Capital W. Small W. Yes, yes. Now X. Capital X and small x. Yes, okay. Then which letter comes? X. Y. Which letter? Y. Very good. Capital Y. Small y. Yes, yes, very good. Then Z. Capital Z. Small z. Yes. What are these? Yes, these are English alphabets. Very good. Now write this English alphabet in your copy practice mode. Okay. Okay. Show me some words to write. How to write? Okay. I will give you. Okay. Okay. Small k. Write the small k. Show me. Okay, very good. Small k. Small k always does the first line and third line. Small k always does the first line and third line. Small k is which letter? Yes, small k is giraffe letter. Very good, very good. Small k is giraffe letter. Now I will give you next letter to write. Okay. O. Okay, write the O. Okay, very good. O. Small O. Small O does the middle line. Small O does the middle line or second line or third line. Second line or third line. Small O is which letter? Yes, very good. Tortoise letter. Small O is which letter? Tortoise letter. Very good. Now last one is, I'll give you Y. Y. Write the small y. Okay. Very good. Small y. Very good. Small y does the second line and last line. Small y does the second line and last line. Small y is which letter? Yes. Very good. I'm happy. Which letter? Monkey letter. Which letter? Monkey letter. Very good children. Okay. Practice it at home more. Okay. Thank you class. This much for today. Stay safe. Be at home. Okay children. Okay. Bye.